ChatGPT has changed the landscape of the business. Today in this video, I will tell you about what is ChatGPT and what it has done to business. Hello everyone, press the bell icon and subscribe to Knowledge Builder. There's a new artificial intelligence chatbot in town. ChatBot has taken the internet by storm. People have been using it to compose music, understand complex topics, make jokes, write movie scripts, and even debug computer codes. Such is the bot's popularity. It took only 5 days to score its first million users. What is ChatBot? A research company situated in San Francisco named OpenAI created the AI chatbot ChatBot. It's a language learning model that may be used with supervised and reinforcement learning methods. ChatBot employs an extensive and sophisticated learning methodology, unlike the majority of other chatbots. It can interpret the intent and setting of your messages and provide responses that sound human. The early stages of ChatBot are still present. On November 30th, 2022, the public was given access to the prototype. But even so, it has potential to be a useful AI tool in many different situations. You can converse about any subject of interest using the application, in addition to concept brainstorming, gamma play, script writing, and other activities. How to use ChatBot? Step 1. Go to the OpenAI website and click on the Try ChatBot button. You will find the Try option toward the top of the website interface. Step 2. Up next, you will be asked to log in or sign up. If you do not already have an OpenAI account, sign up using your email address. You may also have to share your mobile number before you're let in. Step 3. Once you're in, you will be greeted with a few standard disclaimers. These include a notice that AI trainers may review your interaction with ChatBot to evaluate the system's performance. You might want to skim these disclaimers for a general overview of what to expect. Now, you can start interacting with ChatBot. Find the message box toward the bottom of the interface to begin a conversation. Step 4. ChatBot will generate a response quickly. As a starting point, we asked a simple question: what is Bitcoin? The bot took about 5 seconds to come up with a response, see Fig below. We liked how the explanation was to the point and easy to understand. If you are unhappy with the response, you could hit the button Try again. The bot will then try to answer you differently. Step 5. You may continue the conversation by replying to ChatBot's messages using the message box. Or you can also click on the New Thread button on the left sidebar to reset the current conversation and start a new one. Based on the limited time we spent chatting with the bot, it does a decent job with human-like responses. You can't really tell that you are talking with an AI unless, of course, you know it already. Although perhaps the lack of typos and the faster typing speed could raise some suspicion. Best uses of ChatBot for marketing and sales. ChatBot strategies to increase the number of email subscribers. Offering a lead magnet, such as an ebook guide or template in exchange for an email address, is a common tactic. Using an exit intent pop-up or slide-in form on your website to prompt visitors to subscribe before leaving. Creating a landing page specifically for email sign-ups and promoting it on social media or through paid advertising. Using referral marketing, where existing subscribers can refer their friends and family to your email list in exchange for an incentive. Incorporating email sign-up forms in all your online content, such as blog posts and social media profiles. Offering exclusive content or discounts to those who subscribe to your email list. Hosting webinars or other live events and promoting them to your email list. Partnering with other businesses or influencers in your industry to cross-promote each other's email lists. ChatBot researched the most profitable tech startups in Europe. Research is one of the building blocks of marketing, and having good, reliable information is essential. ChatBot can help you with that. If anything, it's a starting point. Here is ChatBot's answer. It is difficult to say which tech startups in Europe are currently the most profitable, as this can change over time and depend on a variety of factors. Additionally, a startup's profitability may not be publicly disclosed. However, some tech startups in Europe that have achieved significant valuations and/or received substantial funding include Spotify, Sweden; Adyen, Netherlands; Delivery Hero, Germany; Klarna, Sweden; Zalando, Germany; Farfetch, United Kingdom; Izettle, Sweden; Improbable, United Kingdom; The Hut Group, United Kingdom; Upath, Romania. ChatBot generating headlines focused on increasing the creativity of marketers. 5 innovative strategies to boost your marketing creativity. Unlocking the power of creativity in marketing. Tips and tricks. Breaking the mold. How to think outside the box in marketing. The importance of creativity in modern marketing and how to achieve it. Marketing Creativity 101. Techniques to elevate your campaigns. Innovative marketing. From idea to execution. The Creative Marketer's Toolkit. How to bring new ideas to the table. Mastering the art of marketing creativity. Lessons from the experts. Creative marketing, strategies for small businesses, marketing innovation, achieving success through creativity and experimentation. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Knowledge Builder.